creating your products checklist. So what you do, you make sure you know exactly what it takes to build what you're trying to build. And you say, okay, I need to get my inventory together to build X amount of what I need. And then you start cutting your products down and getting everything sorted out. But it's always good to get your inventory up, know exactly what you got. Don't just spend money vainly on what you think you know. Do the measurements, do the math, make sure you get what you need. If you need an extra piece, get an extra piece, you know. Um, but I would say most definitely do your homework. It will save you in the long run and it'll let you know what you need to actually make a profit. So if you need to get some investments from someone, you can be able to show them what you get. Hold on.